Afternoon Conscious Vlog. How are you guys? I hope your afternoon is well, like mine is. Today we are doing we'll be doing a birthday celebration for my son, my second born, and we'll just be going to celebrate his 9th birthday. Though his birthday is not exactly today, we are doing it earlier so that they can be able to relax and be ready for the week. So, what is it, Mama?
No, you can think that you said my second son.
My second born.
Yeah.
Yeah. This is my daughter.
Yeah.
That is my son.
You haven't even shown it properly.
I will show. So we're going.
Turn left.
So we're just going somewhere to have fun, where there are games, there are activities. We'll just have a lot of fun, you know, as a family, and then we might have dinner after that if you're not too tired. So come along with us and enjoy this day with us so that we can be able to just celebrate his birthday. Yeah, there are many birthdays coming up in our family. The month of December and January normally has the majority of birthday celebrations. So we'll be celebrating his birthday. Today we'll be going to Village Market.
Then turn right.
Look at this direction thing. Turn left and then we gave Chini. Yeah, so we'll be celebrating his birthday.
Continue for 12 kilometers.
So we'll be celebrating his birthday, and in doing that we'll be going to Village Market. There are many trampolines there that he will really like to just. Him and his sister chose to go to Village Market to just have fun over there. I wasn't part of it because I think I'm past the age of trampolines, yeah? So let's go together and have fun and enjoy with me. Though you are not here, just let's enjoy virtually so that you can have fun and celebrate his birthday, you know? It's just a blessing on this day. Enjoy your day too, and let's do this together. Can you see how beautiful these apartments are? You know, people out there think that Kenya isn't beautiful. Kenya is a very beautiful country with green grass, with good roads. Though we are still getting there, we are doing well. I think I appreciate this far that we have gone. Look at how this roundabout looks. Very, very beautiful. You know?
Exit the roundabout onto Muthaiga Road.
If it's suburbs, as I've told you, look at the roads, look at the foliage, look at the trees,
I don't understand.
look at his houses. I don't know whose house is that. Or wow, just look at this. Who told you Kenya is poor? Who told you Kenya has poverty? Kenya is poor. Can you see the gated communities of this country? Can you just see that sisal plants? Look at those sisal plants. Those are someone's gate and someone's surroundings. I'm telling you, these are the rich places. I'll be taking you to these kind of places. Subscribe to my video. Be walking in Kitusuru, where
also be living here soon.
And maybe soon, if you support me, we will be living here if you subscribe to my channel, and then I can invite you guys to come over for tea. You see, like, it's so secure around here. White people are just walking on the street sides. Hakuna kushikwa ngeta or something like that. You know. Yeah, so I'm just enjoying going over. Let's get there and then we talk to you. So this is the Limuru Road. It's so pretty. Such a nice view. Look at the skies, such nice beautiful weather. Where are the games placed? So there are just many different shops over here. Very pretty ones, jewelry shops. These are traditional like organic products for beauty, for hair, different things. There's decorations over here, very beautiful. The birthday boy. Do this. Just looking at art over here before we proceed to the games place. This is very pretty. In case you're interested in art, just come to Village Market on the lower floor. I'll tell you the name of the shop so that you can just come in here and get to see what's here. It's very, very beautiful art. For paintings. If you want to know the price, a painting like this one A painting like this one. This one hasn't been tagged on any price. Look at how beautiful that is. Doesn't it look like the real deal? This is the place where you can get the kind of paintings that you like. So like this one is 65,000 or 65 USD. Very beautiful paintings of just African nature, you know, African birds, the hyena, children playing on sticks, trying to become acrobats, yeah? It's just a beautiful place that sells photos. So you guys are always welcome. Art exhibition, it's at Village Market. It's at Village Market. Today's theme was African Tales. I think they might be changing different themes. And then it's at the main exhibition hall. The date that the exhibition is running is between 1st to 13th of December. So you can come in anytime. It opens at 8, between 8 to 7:30 p.m. Gioni. So I'll just take a photo so that in case you're interested in getting these products, any of it has impressed you, you can just pop in, you know. As we're eating ours.
Burning the bridge that keeps us. I'm here and I'm feeling fearless. Exaggerated, that's what you assume. The story's over now, I must conclude. I am conflicted, watching where I step still, hanging in the balance. Not the life I want to live, I want to take it all. Standing tall, fear outweighed the person you are. Oh, breathe.
Wish you a Merry Christmas.
Yeah, later. Yeah.
Come later. I took a picture of you.
You took a picture of me. Thank you. Yeah, that's our birthday boy. Tell him happy birthday. Shout out to him. Yeah. Amesema ni side gani? This is a very beautiful place, just very serene. You can just come and relax in there. Christmas decorations are in full swing over here. A very beautiful Christmas tree in this mall.
So pretty.
But it doesn't show those colors. Hizo colors ziko pale. But I think it's because it's sunny. It's just Christmas vibes up in here. There is art. This place has so much art. My shoe. That's our outfit of the day. We're dressed like we're going for vacation because we knew we would walk a long time. So we just wanted to like not wear heavy clothes and so on and so forth. So that's it. We're just enjoying our day. Before we start with the games, we are wearing sport shoes.
Take that one back.
Look at what you're doing.
You take your foot back, then you step on that one.
Oh,
With the
and then
other
you do
one.
this
Yes.
one. Oh, push, I mean, hata siwezi go.
Zinarushwa hapo ndani ndio ziactivate the headset. So ikishawekwa inapanga kind of difficult kunini. Ndio light ya green, enda huko kwenye light ya green iko.
Unaona kitu yenye inafanya mtu anaweza handle ni sauti za watu. Kama watu waongee ama masikio yamefungwa. Unaweza fikiria unafaa uifuate.
Mommy, you confused person. It's a wall.
Haya ndio watu waue.
She's killed someone.
Fuata hiyo green light tree. Ifuate.
Mommy, move.
Just
Hi everyone, my mom is currently busy, so I will be making her outro for her. We're celebrating his birthday, and I hope you all liked the vlog. Kindly subscribe, everybody. Like, and we'll see you on the next one. Also subscribe to my channel, which is in the description below. And see you all next time, Conscious family. Bye.